everybody, I'm Riley with Snake River Seed Co-op, and I wanted to show you guys today how we clean false sunflower. False sunflower is a perennial flower. It's yellow, it's really beautiful, it's gorgeous in gardens, and it's really easy to grow, and it's really easy to save the seed as well. So what we do is when the flower head gets dry, we cut the flower, we put it into this pillowcase like this so that it dries down for a few weeks. And then once it's dry, we put it in this bucket, and from here you can see there's different flower heads in here that are all dried. What we do next is we stomp on the flower head and we try to get all of the seeds out. So after we stomp on the seed heads, like you can see here, all the dried flowers and seeds are coming out. After that, we put it through a screen once. We just put a handful in here and then we just shake the screen so that any of the seeds fall out. So now what's left on top is just flower heads, but the seeds have already fallen through into the tub. So after we screen it, next we bring it over to our fans and we do a double fan winnow. So you can see what I'm starting with in here. There's leaves and some stems and there's seeds in there, a bit of chaff. So we bring it over here. And the seeds are falling into the first bin there. After we winnow it, next we take what we have, which is mostly sticks and seeds now, and we pour it into a screen. And we try to not do all of it at once, we just try to do a little bit, and then if we go like this, the seeds will fall through and the sticks will be remaining on top, which we then just dump out. So we did another screen and another winnow on the seeds, and now we've got them to the point where I am happy with them. They look pretty clean to me, so come take a look. That's false sunflower. After this, we'll take them inside, we'll put them in a jar, and then they go through the intake process at Snake River Seed Co-op, and then after that, they'll go into packets for you.